East on Christ. I haven't saved. I didn't save the material part. Oh no.
Welcome back, guys, to our channel. So today we are going to model the part 2, and in the last session we modeled our barrel, and today we are going to do the cloth and the animation with it. So I hope you will enjoy this tutorial, and let's get into it. Select your rings and then the barrel with shift. So, and then right click, parent, and then object. Now if you look here, our parent is the barrel and the child is the rings. If you grab or do anything, they'll be together. So let's grab it down. This is our barrel. So now we are going to first save, so Control Shift S, and you are going to click on this plus sign, so it's going to be version 2. And as I said last time, we will be saving as versions, not Control S, because we need recovery blend files too. So save as. Now we will add a plane. So we will add a plane and then go to edit mode and give it more vertices by subdivision and by subdivide, and then we are going to add the cloth animation on top. So Shift A, let's add a plane. Grab it on the Z axis on top of the barrel and then scale it up. This is big enough, and now let's go to tab to go to edit mode, of course. Right click and subdivide. You may notice you have this this little square popped up, so we're going to increase the number of cuts to 20, maybe? No, more. Let's do it 50. Yes, 50 is good. So the number of cuts are going to be 50. Now let's just go back to object mode. So of course we'll go to the physics properties, and then we are going to add cloth. If we're going to play, we're going to see that it just went through the barrel. So go to the beginning, and then if you select your barrel, and make sure you select the rings too, so add the collision. And now if you play, but now the problem is it's going through the barrel. Okay, so how do we fix that? Now I've noticed that when you select your barrel, we don't have the collision, we only have it on the rings. So select your barrel and add the collision. That must fix it now. Let's go to the beginning and play. That fixed it, yes. But now the problem is that the cloth is going into each other. It's not smooth. So let's go to the beginning, select your cloth, and if you scroll down, go to the collisions, scroll down even more. I'm going to do some changes now. Let's go to the beginning, select your cloth and scale it even more. Make sure you go to the beginning of the timeline. If you're in the middle and then you scale it up, you're going to mess up everything. And now let's play. Now that's better. Now we will go to the modifiers, and we are going to add the subdivision surface. Increase the level of viewports to maybe 2 or 3. 2 is fine, and now if we're going to shade smooth, it looks way better. So if I play quickly, you will see it falls really smoothly, and it looks really satisfying to watch. It's very satisfying. And now we are going to go to the beginning, of course, and don't forget to save at this point especially. So now it's time to tell you about the materials. So how we're going to do that. First of all, let's go to the edit mode, and you might be thinking, to get this checkered texture, you might be doing this and then shifting this. Now this is going to take an hour, so we're simply going to do A, and then we're going to go to select and then checker deselect, just like a checkerboard. Now we are going to do new. In the materials tab, you're going to hit new, and then you're going to hit plus, and then again new, and then you're going to hit assign. If you're going to change the color now, we have the desired look. You can change the color. You can do it red, pink, blue, or any color you like. I'll be going to red, and if you play now, so I will go to the, now we're in the solid view. I rendered it in the solid view. Now we're going to go to the material preview, and this is how our cloth looks like. You might be thinking it's really disgusting. That's what I feel right now, but it's okay. When we're going to adjust the lighting and all, it will look pretty awesome. So let's rename it and name it as cloth. Now as we did, we will select, oops, what happened? It fell down. That's why you shouldn't always go to edit mode while you're in the middle of your timelines. See, this is what happens when you go to edit mode when your timeline is in the middle. So I'm just going to back. Yes, okay. Now we need to just use this frame. We don't want any animation. So if you don't try what I will do now, let me tell you from before. If we go here and then do the big action, and then if you do the pose, don't do it as I'm saying. So if we're going to do this now, I'm just trying since I haven't tried. I haven't saved. I didn't save the material part. Oh no. Please don't crash. Oh, it didn't crash. Nothing to bake? Oh my god. Okay. So there's another way to convert it to a simple object. We will go to object and then convert and then mesh. Now there is no animation. So this is my still cloth fallen on the barrel. This was for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it and learned from it. And yeah, see you in the next video. That will be tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Bye. The blender was almost about to crash, so save so you can survive next time. Bye.